students, we finished the lesson Whitington and his cat, right? Yes, now we are moving to the book back exercise. Now take your book, page number 67, listening and speaking junction. Okay, listening and speaking junction. See here, we want to listen carefully and you are going to write a situation here. Okay, see, when we console somebody, what is meant by console? Console. What is mean by console? Console na ஆறுதல் அளிக்கிறது. ஓகேவா? saying இரக்கம். we can say in Tamil இரக்கம் தெரிவிக்கிறது. நீ ஃபீல் பண்ணாத, don't worry. ஓகேவா? everything will solve. எல்லா ப்ராப்ளமும் நல்லா சால்வ் ஆகும், எல்லா ப்ராப்ளமும் முடிஞ்சு போகும், நல்ல நியூ லைஃப் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். like that we will say some condole, yes, console to others. Yes, see here, when we console somebody, we try to use a language that is reassuring. reassuring na உத்தரவாதம். அதாவது ஆமா நீ இப்படி தான் இருப்ப, நீ அப்படி தான் நடக்கும், நல்ல தேவை உனக்கு, அப்படியே சொல்லுவோம். நோ, we will say பரவாயில்ல விடு, எல்லாம் சரியாயிரும், இது இனிமே இது இப்படி நடக்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு உத்தரவாதம், அஷூரன்ஸ் கொடுக்கிறது. ஓகே, then these phrases are used to console and support someone who is worried or in trouble. யாராவது ஒருத்தங்க ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தில், trouble means problem. ஓகேவா? if anyone is in trouble, we can give console to others. Okay, console to that person. If they are in worried situation, we can give console to that person. This is console. Okay, see here, for consoling others, for reassuring the problem, we want to use some words. Okay, see page number 54. See, speaking junction in poem 6. See, there is encouraging words and reacting to good news. நம்ம பார்த்தோம் அப்படிதானே, ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் நடந்தா இல்லட்டா ஒருத்தங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும்னா என்னென்ன வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தோம். வாட் ஆர் த வேர்ட்ஸ் தேர்? குட் லக், யூ கேன் டூ இட், ஒர்க் ஹார்ட், கீப் கோயிங், டூ த பெஸ்ட் யூ கேன், உன்னால முடிஞ்சதை பண்ணு, நீ தான் வின் பண்ணுவ. தட் இஸ் என்கரேஜிங் வேர்ட்ஸ். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ரியாக்டிங் டு good news. If one good thing is happened, means how we want to react. Yes, that's great, wow, that's great, you done this. Yes, I am glad to hear that. எனக்கு அது கேட்கிறதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. Good for you, it is good for you. Yes, these are the encouraging and reacting to good news words. Now we are going to learn the console words. Okay, console words to helping others in the worried time. Okay, see, reassuring phrases. Okay, reassuring phrases. See, don't worry, it will be fine. கவலைப்படாத, எல்லாம் சரியாயிரும். Don't worry, it will be fine. Everything will be fine. எல்லாமே சரியாயிரும், கவலைப்படாத. I will ensure that, நான் கண்டிப்பா சொல்றேன், எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் ஆயிரும். ஓகே, and next one, there's nothing to worry about. இதை நினைச்சலாம் நீ ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காத, இதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, எல்லாம் நடக்க தான் செய்யும், நம்ம அதை தாண்டி போகணும். Yes, we are console others. Yes, next one, rest assured. இப்போ நடந்து முடிஞ்சதை விடு, அடுத்தது இனிமே என்ன நடக்கணும், நம்ம என்ன பண்ணா என்ன, எப்படி வின் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கறத பாரு. Yes, these are the 5 conversation we want to use, phrases we want to use to console the person who are in trouble. Okay, now see here, work in past. Now I am going to give you a homework, just listen carefully. Work in past, tell each other about a problem of yours. What problem you have, you want to tell to others. Okay, you could choose any of the following situation to talk about the problem. Now the other person in the pair will console the partner using the reassuring phrases you have learned. அதாவது இதுல ஒரு 3 situation, 3 situations are given here. That situation, your friend is lying. Okay, உன் friend அந்த situationல இருக்கான், அந்த troubleல மாட்டிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான்னா, how you can console them. Okay, உன் friend என்ன சொல்லி console பண்ணுவ? Like this you want to, page number 54. Page number 55. Yes, there is one conversation. Yes, between Rita and Shruti. Ritaவும் ஸ்ருதியும் மாத்தி மாத்தி ஒரு dialogue conversation மாதிரி பேசிருக்காங்க. Like this you want to console. Okay va? Console for this situation. What situation? You are worried about an upcoming match or event that he or she is participating in. ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் நடக்க போகுது, ஓகேவா? ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் நடக்க போகுது, அதில் உன் ஃப்ரெண்டு யாரோ பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண போகிறாங்க, ஓகேவா? அதை பற்றி ஒரி பண்ணி போய் உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. எப்படி நான் வின் பண்ண போகிறேன், எப்படி விளாட போகிறேன், எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது, நான் என்னால் முடியுமா அப்படின்னு ஒரி பண்ணி உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. அட் தட் டைம் யூ வாண்ட் டு கிவ் யுவர் கன்சோல் டு தெம். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சிச்சுவேஷன். அண்ட் செகண்ட் சிச்சுவேஷன், யூ டிட் நாட் ஸ்கோர் வெல் இன் ஒன் ஆஃப் த சப்ஜெக்ட். ஏதோ ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்ல மார்க் குறைய எடுத்திருக்க, ஸோ அதை நினச்சி ஒரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. ஐயோ, இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்ல இப்படி குறைய எடுத்திருக்கேனே, நான் எப்படி டாக்டர் ஆக முடியும், நான் எப்படி இன்ஜினியர் ஆக முடியும், இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் தானே ரொம்ப முக்கியம் அப்படின்னு நீ வந்து ஒரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. அட் த டைம் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இஸ் கன்சோலிங் யூ. ஓகே, அதர்வைஸ் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இஸ் இன் ட்ரபிள். ஓகேவா? யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஹேஸ் didn't get the good marks in one subject means you are giving console to your friend. Check, this is your situation. And one more situation, you are worried about the health of someone close to you. உனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சவங்க இப்போ ரொம்ப சிக்கா இருக்காங்க, ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி நீ கன்சோல் பண்ணுவ? எஸ், for these three situations, from these three situations you want to select one situation which is okay for you. You can select one situation and give the console using the conversation, dialogue conversation like this. Page number 55. Rita, Shruti, yes, both are talking. Yes, good luck, you can do it like that. You want to use these words. What are the words? Don't worry, it will be fine, everything will be fine, I will ensure that there's nothing to worry about, rest assured. Like these words, these phrases you want to use in the consolence. Yes, okay. Now next topic is phonic junction. Now take your book, page number 71. Phonic means already we know pronunciation. Okay, see, read these sentences from the story. He would think of faraway lands where he would go on expeditions with his faithful cat. He think, who think? Yes, Whitington. Whitington think that I have a best friend now. Who is that? Yes, cat. So with that cat I want to go all over the world as a trip, like that he think. Yes, see here, after some days Mr. Fitzwarren's ship was ready to sail and he called for his servants. He gave his cat to the captain. He think he is the only friend, like that he think. After that he sell the cat to the captain to sell it to the other land, yes, other country. Yes, see, now see the bold words. Read the words far away. A. Okay, what is the pronunciation? A. Okay, next one, faith. A. See, A. Okay, next one, and gave. A. Next some gap, next E. Gave. A. Okay, the letters in bold in these words are pronounced like A in the word day. அதாவது this word, this pronunciation, okay, this pronunciation is as like the word day. How we are pronounce this word day? So A. Okay, day, A. These two letters are only here, so A. Okay, next one. See the blue box. Let us read some more words that are pronounced like A as in the word day. Okay, A with silent E. Okay, A with silent E. Here we see, right, gave. So A is pronounced and E is the silent letter here. So A. Okay. See, face. What is the word here? Face. See, A and E. Face. See some more words. Game, gate, led, place. Okay, all these are A, then one letter is there, then E is there. So A. Next one, this pronunciation, A pronunciation. Okay, always. See, always. Always. So AY is here. Always. Say. Okay. Today. Tray. Yes, come and join with me and read. Then only you know the pronunciation. Yes, always. Say. Okay. Today. Tray. Next pronunciation is this one. A-I. Okay. A. Okay. A. Okay. For this, I give a word aim. Aim. A sound. Okay. Aim. Chain. Explain. In. Okay. Explain. In. See. In. Explain. Okay. Next one. Main. Straight. Okay. These are the words. Next one. EY. EY pronunciation. Now we learn three pronunciation. A. Okay. Here A. Day. A. Aim. Next here A want to stress and E is the silence. So A. Next one. This is first pronunciation we learn. This is second and this is third. And this is the fourth pronunciation we are going to learn. See, gray, A sound, A, gray, survey, see, gray, see, EY, gray, gray, survey, day, way, hey. Okay, next we are going to learn the fifth pronunciation is A. Okay, 8. The example is 8. See, 8. See, okay, next one. Neighbor. Wait. Next one we are going to learn. The sixth pronunciation is A. How we want to pronounce it? Break. Egg. Okay, break. See, EA is here. A. Okay, break. Next one, grade. Steep. Okay, next one, read the words in the grid and color the boxes with the words that sound like A as in the word day. Okay, now take a color pencil. Now we are going to color. Okay, see, read the words in the grid and color the boxes with the words that sound like A as in the word day. So we want to color the boxes which is apt to these pronunciation. What are the pronunciation? A, next E, next E. Okay, these are the pronunciation we are going to learn. First one is A, next one is A, next one is A. Okay, next one is this pronunciation A, next is A, next A. These are the pronunciation we are going to find in these boxes and we want to color the boxes. Okay, with these pronunciation the word means we want to color any color, what color you wish you can take. Okay, these pronunciation we want to give the color, or others we don't give any colors. Okay, first one, gap. A sound is here. No, so it will not come, so don't color. Next one, pray. A, which sound is coming? Yes, first sound. So you want to color that, pray. Next one, great. EA sound. EA sound means sixth sound. Okay, great. So this one we want to color. Next one, stick. See, stick also same. So you want to color. Next one, wet. See, wet, any sound is coming here? No. So you want to color the words pray, great, stick. Okay, next, in the next box, let me move. First one, way. Which sound is here? Yes, fourth sound is here. For each sound you can give separate color so that you are able to find the same pronunciation in the words. Okay, so for this you can choose one color, for this you can choose one color, this one color, this one color, this one color, this one color, 6 color you can choose. For this what are the words comes under these pronunciation, for that you want to use the same color. Okay, for this you want to use the same color in all words, like that you want to do as the same for the remaining words, rest of the words. Okay, okay, now first one, way, which pronunciation? 4th pronunciation. Next one, always, what pronunciation? A-Y pronunciation. Okay, so these you want to color. Next, fade, see fade, A, then one letter, then E, so this pronunciation is here. Next one, rain, see rain, A sound, so you want to color this. Next, grace, this one, A, then C is there, then E, so this one you want to color. In the second box, all things you want to color with the different colors. Okay, next one, time, I'm sound is here, no, so you don't color. Next one, nay, see nay, yes, this sound, E-I, okay, so you want to color. Next, beak, E-A, yes, beak, so you want to color. Next, Monday, see day, A sound is there, so you want to color. Next, plane, so A-N-E is there, so you want to color. Okay, in this except time you want to color all those with different colors. Next one, neighbor, neighbor, okay, so this one. Next, race, A-E, this one, yes. Next one, way, so way is this one, and next one, clay, A-Y, so this pronunciation, A, yes. Next one, same is in this pronunciation. For separate, for each pronunciation you want to give each color. Okay, next one, for this you want to color all those things. And next, last one, T sound is here, no, that is E sound, it is A sound, E-A, same spelling but pronunciation is different. Yes, so you don't color the word T. Next one, pain, A sound is here, so you want to color. Next, they, A sound, A, so you want to color. Next, say, A-Y. Next, bed, for that see E-A only that, but pronunciation is different, it is A sound, it is B-E sound, so don't color this. What are the words here? Pain, they, say, these 3 words you want to color. Okay, now I am going to give you a homework. Now take the words. Okay, homework words, pray, second one, mean, third one, nay, next, 4th one, way, and the 5th one, receive, 6th one, clay, 7th one, they, 8th one, say, and the 9th one, shy. Okay, for these words you want to find the pronunciation, which sound is used here, you want to find and put underline the word. If it is pray means which is pronounced here, so that line, word, that pronunciation you want to underline and give the pronunciation sound. Okay, give the sound. This is your homework. I gave 2 homework. First, in this listening and speaking junction, you want to find the situation, any one situation, and you want to consult using the conversation, dialogue conversation. And another one homework is, for these words you want to find the pronunciation, for these words you want to find the sound. This is your homework. Okay students, I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you students.